After ng film, nagulat kami dahil biglang tumaas yung wall sa kanan namin and smoke started to appear. Tapos may horror background music pa. Akala namin may mga zombie na lalabas. Yun pala, Netflix prepared a very special lunch buffet for everyone. Tingnan nyo naman ang bongga ng setup. You're amazing, Team Netflix. They serve very delicious Filipino food katulad nitong lechon na to. Sarap nito. May mga panghimagas din katulad nitong napakasarap na leche flan at marami pang iba. At pagkatapos ng masarap na lunch, nagkaroon ng question and answer portion with the cast and the director. Pinag-usapan kung paano nila ginawa yung pelikula, the story behind it, the struggles, and some cool trivias that made us appreciate more the film itself. Nakakatuwa yung ganitong mga discussions.
Guys, I hope everyone can support this Filipino film and let's share it to the world. Yes?